Hey guys, I'm Daisy from Currys, and today we're taking a look at the top 3 features of the Samsung Series 8 QuickDrive washing machine. We're going to show you how QuickDrive works, look at the EcoBubble technology, and also the Ad Wash feature. So we're going to head to the lab now, where we're going to meet lifestyle content creator Alex Galbally to see how QuickDrive can help a busy family of 7. Alex, welcome to the lab.
Thank you.
You've got a massive load of washing there.
I have.
Whoa.
That is one day's washing in our house. Got 5 children, my wife and I, so there's 7 of us in the house. And sometimes even before breakfast's finished, we have to wash something again.
And how long would that normally take to wash?
About 2 hours in the machine, hour and a half in the tumble dryer, folding and putting away.
So then you do that most days as well, do you?
Obviously sometimes we just can't be bothered. It mounts up and we have to do 2, 3, 4 washes on a Sunday, which is nice.
Well, we're gonna cut that time for you today. So if you pop
Excellent.
everything on that basket, using the Super Speed program, that's what uses the QuickDrive technology, and it will wash a 5 kilo load for you, Alex, in 39 minutes.
Wow.
Let's give it away. That is exactly 5 kilograms. So
Well, it's like it's meant to be.
We'll put the QuickDrive to the test and show you how this works.
There we go, done that before.
Let's press play and get that going for you. And all you've got to wait is 39 minutes. At the heart of the QuickDrive technology, you've got the counter rotating back drum panel. And that's unique. The panel spins in one direction and then the drum spins in the opposite direction. So
Right.
Samsung says that's what moves everything around, gives it a good jig, and that's what washes it in really, really good time. All done?
And you get
Take
a
a
little
look.
tune as well. I love it. There was paint on that, washable paint, but paint, that's gone. Looks fantastic, to be honest. And the true test is, this is Jimmy's, I think 3/4 of his dinner or whatever he's doing goes on him. It's like, no.
Yeah, that's looking good, isn't it?
He matches me, obviously. I'm actually quite surprised there's not a single stain on anything, and some of it was absolutely rotten. And it's almost half dry, actually, so it'll
Yeah.
take a lot less time to dry. And on a wash day, which we try and avoid, but they do happen, probably gonna be taking an hour or 2 rather than pretty much the whole day just spent washing clothes, which no one likes to do, let's be honest.
So next up, let's talk about the EcoBubble technology. It mixes air, water and detergent to do a really good wash, but just at a much cooler temperature. So it actually helps you to save on energy bills.
Large family, there's loads of mud, there's loads of breakfast down the tops. We're just constantly doing washes, sometimes up to 60 degrees. Anything we can do to bring that down is obviously going to be great for us.
And finally, let's talk about the Ad Wash feature. This is really handy when you've got a wash on, you've forgotten to pop something in. Click pause, open the Ad Wash door, throw the item in, press play. That's it, it just continues the wash as normal.
I absolutely love that. So
Yeah.
standard scenario in my house and probably everybody's house, washing goes in, go back upstairs, there's a random sock and I need that sock to be paired up with one that's already in there. Otherwise, I just can't wait till the next day. So the fact that I can just open that, chuck it in, happy days.
How did you find using the Series 8 today?
It's been absolutely fantastic to see, to be honest. In my house, it's amazing how out of nowhere a load of washing can appear. Late on a Sunday night, I find a PE bag in the corner, need it for the next day. It's just absolutely brilliant that we can get a proper wash done in 39 minutes.
If you'd like more info on the Samsung Series 8 washing machine, you can visit us in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.